Good afternoon and welcome to apartment Ester, and this is quite a unique little property actually. It's I say little, it's a 3-bed 2-bath apartment in very good condition. It's only been lived in literally for about 2 or 3 months. It's in one of the kind of nicest blocks, I would say, located below the village of Alcaucin. This is the communal pool. You can see it's nice and quiet. It's kind of a very tranquil and kind of peaceful area. This is the apartment covered terrace just here, okay, as well as 3-bed 2-bath. It has a fully fitted kitchen, it's got air conditioning, obviously the communal pool we just touched. It's also got the private parking space and storeroom as well. Okay, now one aspect of this development is it's got wheelchair access as well, all the way to the front door. Okay, there's lifts as well, okay, which is all built into the community charge, which is not very much at all. And you can see you've got the mountain behind you there. That's green all year round with pine trees. And basically, got penthouses at the top. It's a very nicely kind of decorative apartment block. Okay, things like the brickwork here on the side. So this would be the walk that you take to get to the front door of this particular apartment. It's apartment D. We are on the first level, so it's not on ground level. You've got beautiful gardens. I mean, you'll see there's the ramp going up there to the left. Through here, again, you've got access to the lifts. There's a number of lifts and obviously stair options, okay, to the parking down below and to the apartments up above. There's your services, toilets there for the pool. Okay, but you got some great big palm trees, and it's well kind of looked after, and it's now got occupancy probably around 60%, I would say, 60 to 70%, and that's a mixture of holiday apartments and obviously full-time as well. Okay, so we just carry on up this ramp. Again, you've got the village on the doorstep, okay, which is fantastic. So you've got restaurants, you've got bars, there's medical centre, town hall, pharmacy, and literally there's our lifts down to the parking area there. Here we come into the apartment itself, okay? So it's a kind of mid-terrace apartment. Like I say, only or barely been lived in, okay? So we're going to do the living area first, whereby this, you've got an open plan, okay, dining area, lounge, kitchen, whereby it's, again, semi-open plan. Okay, it's not huge, but it's very practical, very easy to maintain. Everything's electric, hob, you've got dishwashers in, washing machine, fridge freezers. It's all kind of functional. You've got a sink there in the middle, overlooking that lovely view. Okay, and then you've got those big patio doors, 2 which are fixed, 1 is a door. You've also got fibre internet here, which is obviously a must, I think, for most people, and that's your view. So it really is quite nice. You've got obviously space here for outdoor dining, for storage, sunbeds. But yeah, you've got kind of a westerly facing view where you're going to get fantastic sunsets off here. And you've got, yeah, the green of the trees there, the mountains in the distance. It's a very nice apartment. Now, we've sold quite a few of these over recent years. Never sold a 3-bed. And this one has now just been listed with VillaSolutions for just under €160,000. Okay, that's going to be with equipped kitchen, bathroom, 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, air conditioning, communal pool, private parking, private storeroom, and it is like a new apartment. Okay, the flooring is fantastic, got marble kind of flooring. That's a new sink and drawers there, massage corner shower, loo set back there. Then we also have, this is the smaller of the 3 bedrooms. Okay, but they all have fitted wardrobes. Okay, so you've got ducted air conditioning. Again, that's all fully functioning. Nothing has to be painted. You've got double glazed UPVC windows. The doors are like new. This is a great opportunity. There's your fuse box in there. So this is the kind of principal bedroom. It's obviously bigger than the last one. Again, it's got enough light, good size. Again, there's not one wardrobe, there's two, because we have one hidden behind here. Okay, and then a good sized bathroom. So that's a full size bath. Again, new vanity unit, sink, light, well, you have access to a light tunnel there, look. Okay. But again, nicely finished, and there really is nothing much to do. You've got bedroom number 3 here. So it's a good sized desk. Again, windows going out to the back of the apartments, essentially, where it's quiet. Fitted wardrobe. And you've literally, all you got to worry about is a couple of light fittings and a bit of furniture. Okay, so there we have it, guys. This is apartment Ester. This is a very pleasant surprise from what I was expecting. And yeah, essentially that's not included, okay? That's a freezer, that's not to be included. But you have everything else and furniture negotiable as well. Okay, guys, so if you want further details, this is apartment Ester on VillaSolutions.net. You can contact us directly on 0034 696 522171, or indeed go to the website VillaSolutions.net. Thank you.